Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. A little bit of a different video today. I'm barbecuing and I didn't have any lighter fluid, so I used lamp oil, and I haven't used a jar of lamp oil in 10 plus years. I used to use lamp oil in a lamp in Iraq, Operation Iraqi Freedom, to do homework or read or anything. Instead of using flashlights, I just put it on really dim and do what I had to do, read or whatnot. And when I was walking by the smoke and I smelled that flame from the lamp oil, or rather smelled the smoke, immediately I got choked up. Not from the smoke being inhaled, from a flashback I had from the war. It is never going to go away. And I hope we never have a war again. So happy gardening, everyone. Bye.